Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling My Share and the wireless radios that let it work. Open Settings, go to Connection and Sharing, and turn on My Share. This allows discovery and quick transfers. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active on both phones so discovery and the handshake can proceed. Once done, unlock both screens and set device visibility to everyone or contacts so devices can see each other. This avoids failed pairing and speeds the transfer process. You choose the files to send next. Open Gallery or File Manager and select one or many items. Tap Share, then pick My Share from the options. Your phone will scan and list nearby devices. When the recipient appears, tap their name to initiate the transfer and make sure they accept the incoming request. This handshake exchanges connection keys and prepares a direct link so transfers run fast. If transfers stall, try switching networks or toggling Bluetooth briefly to restart discovery. You finish by monitoring the progress bar and ensuring both devices stay awake until the transfer completes. Once finished, open downloads or photos to confirm the files arrived and can be opened. This verifies integrity and lets you move files into folders if needed. If the transfer fails or is very slow, make sure both My Share and Wi-Fi are enabled, restart the apps or phones, and retry. As a trick, toggle Bluetooth or switch to a different Wi-Fi band to clear lingering connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.